Sometimes in our lives, we all have pain, we all have sorrow. But if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I help you carry on, for it won't be long. I'm gonna need somebody to lead on. Yeah. Please swallow your pride. If I have things you need to borrow, for no one can feel those are your needs, that you won't let it show. Just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lead on. Just might have a problem that you understand.